Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the earbuds are clean and you have safe tools. This reduces short risk and poor contact. Once done, check any LED behavior or app status so you know if cells are completely drained. Make sure to power from a regulated 5V USB source and use a multimeter to identify the positive and negative charging pads. This step is critical because connecting wrong will damage the battery. You now rig the connection, identify the positive and negative pads visually or with a multimeter. Labeling helps. Once identified, set your USB source to a low current like 0. 5 to 1 amp to prevent overheating and clamp wires lightly to each pad. You want a secure but non-permanent contact. While charging, monitor temperature and voltage. Make sure to stop if you see swelling, smoke, or rapid voltage rise, because those are signs of cell failure. You finish by charging for a short controlled period, then test pairing and audio. This confirms the cell's accepted charge and the circuitry still works. If the earbuds power up, let them reach a normal charge level in the case or with a proper charger soon after. If they don't charge, make sure polarity was correct and contacts are clean. And if you see heat or swelling, disconnect immediately, safety first, and consider professional battery replacement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.